Mugenzi wa NRM baba tihira Onesimus na NRM ntonda kujuka Rutu jasi batujyana tuyambe kamuha karanga yo nabanyakisita tuteraga president tukatera gondi kuno president avugeyo ayamba bakisita
Honorable Onesimus Twinamasiko kwasura nyuma abazi yo mu Ruhoyman ko kureta umukoto mu district ya Kibale akatekwa hemishango yo kutera kandi akahutaze nganzi y'ihanga Honorable Robina Nabanja okurugira abihandiko bya kote ebinamayanja nazifa omuramuzi wa kote ya Kibale byashomera Onesimus Twinamasiko obwa hato kwa serebendera y'ekigombe kya NRM ahantebe yo munyishengero wa Bugangizi East akatera kandi yahutaze nganzi y'ihanga obarero bari ha NRM House yo mu district ya Kakumiro 2017 byo kwa mushanjwe 2025 Honorable Twinamasiko kuyaresuwa mukota harwa kashatu akehakana omushangogu bitkoti niko kumwima bwema kandi akamusindika harumanda kusiye biri kumibyo kwa mwenda 2025 baragaruka mu koti
assault, affirming actual bodily harm compared to section 219 of the Penal Code Act, Cap 128. Particulars of the offense. Twinamasiko Onesimus on the 17th day of July 2025 at Kakumiro NRM House, Kakumiro Town Council in Kakumiro District. You assaulted Right Honorable Nabanja Robina.
Bwanyuma yo kusindikwa harimanda abahagizi ba Twinamasiko besharingiro muri Kisita Town Council we barukwenda ngo arekurwaho naho
And Twinomushini says, nyowe myaka yinyine yona yinyine mukuru ganje mgendaje NRM kandi ndakunda Museveni konka NRM ekayiramo mukazi wa Robina Nabanja Prime Minister yaje tutamiza yonkanye ndahurira NRM agenda misise abwege ari kukora akomerera ki NRM witu kugira ngo atesimba nko kutura mwenda ngo atebe mbere muri Bugangizi aturugaho tutubara no muntu wito turenda turuhira kutujema wende na mutu bwose
abashaji cyaba bajyanywe nshonga zirimo ibintu by'enganda nshonga yibarukujumirira munonga
toshemere kumukwata oraburi kushishe kibina cha NRM mu Bugangizi East na Kakumiro yego Nabanja Robina ari promotinga nuku mu Kakumiro hano icyo rero mutabani weye na wesimbira wareta ishenkazi no wesimbira bwa chairman bwa LC5 aha ticket ya nuku hati wono shonga arakorera nuku aho kujya ngucaguranye no wembogo mugenzi wabo raswa kozere na worukwe arena ngo Kakumiro na jimukwasi akwe byari gukora tibirakorwa omuntu rakunda NRM.
I am the one who led people from Kakumiro district from Bocha who were evicted by the government, and we have been here since 1992. We have settled here peacefully with no any problem. We support movement which is under the leadership of His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni. But we have a problem from Nabanja Robina, who is now the Prime Minister, who is disturbing our people, arresting our people, taking them to prison, just because she is the Prime Minister.
Aba bashaba president okutaho mu nshongezi yo kureba ngo habaho butebekana umubantu ba Bugangizi East.
We are tired because of tribalism.
Yes.
Nabanja is confusing us. We come this end because of NRM. And now here we are suffering.
We call upon all the authorities and other stakeholders. We people of Bugangizi East, we stand for our solidarity for immediate release of our flag bearer, Honorable Onesimus Twinamasiko.
Yes. Gasha Onesimus turi yahawe.